Hi, I'm Artur Tkachuk, and today I'm going to show you how to upscale an image for free, which means enhancing its quality and making it look sharper and more detailed. Whether you're a photographer looking to print your photos in larger sizes, a designer needing to improve image quality for a project, or just someone who wants their memories look their best, these free methods can help you achieve impressive results. Okay, so now let's take a quick look at these free methods. So all of these tools that I will be showing you are used through the web browser and are free to use. Links to these free websites will be in the description below the video. So first we have iloveimg.com. Here's upscale image application. Second one is upscale.media. And the third one is neroai.nero.com. Here we have it. So here we have these services, and now I will show you the image that I will be working with. I have prepared a photo of a man, and it's currently low quality and it's slightly blurred, which makes it a perfect candidate for upscaling. So let's see it. So as you can see, it's kind of pixelated and blurred. Definitely low quality, and we'll be trying to improve its look. Okay, so first I will be using iloveimg.com. So let's select my image here, and it's thinking here. Let's give it some time. Okay, and here, as we can see, is this draggable line. On the left side we have before effect, and on the right side we have after effect. And as we can see on the preview, it already looks very well. But what I would like to do is change size multiplier to 4x, which will make it look even better. So let's do that. Okay, and let's click upscale, and here it's upscaling my image, and let's download it. Okay, I will call it not in downloads but in video files, different one. Okay, it's files for video, and I will call it man iloveimg. Okay, and let's click save, and let's save it. Let's take a quick look. How does it look like? Well, and as we can see, it looks much better than the original picture, because the original one is blurred and pixelated, and this one is much better. As we can see, we can see it's much sharper on the edges here. Yeah, much better quality. So that would be the first solution, the iloveimg, and the second one is the second tool that I will be showing you is upscale.media, and here we have upload image. So let's click it. I will select my original image, click open, and here we have some captcha. Okay, traffic lights, verify. Okay, here it's processing my image. Okay, and here, as same as with iloveimg, we'll select the size multiplier to 4x, so it will resize it for 4 times, multiply it by 4 times its dimensions, and enhance quality will click on. And here we have the preview, similar to the iloveimg service. As we can see, we can use this preview, but I will download this image and see it on my local PC. Okay, let's rename it to man upscale media. .jpg. Okay, let's save. And let's see how it looks like. Here we have it. So, as we can see, it looks like this. So, this one removed the pixelation of the image, and it looks much better than the original picture. Let's see. Let's compare it to the original one. But what I can see is that there's some blurry areas. Let's see the iloveimg one. Here is the iloveimg. So to me, iloveimg did a little better job with the upscaling, but it did the job a little differently. So yeah, here is the second method. And the third one is neroai, nero.com. And here we have image upscaler online for free via AI. So it's using also the AI, artificial intelligence, to make it look better. So let's select our original image. And here I will select face enhancement. So it's designed to upscale faces, right? Photographs of faces. But we have different options here, which you can explore in your free time. Anime, photographs, standard, and business. But I will be using face enhancement. So let's click start. Close this one, this window. And here we have preview, like in the first one, in the like in the iloveimg tool. Here we have a preview. So let's download. Let's click download, and I will rename it to man neroai. Neroai. Okay. Let's click save, and let's see its effect. So here is the effect, and as we can see, it looks stunning to my opinion compared to the original picture. Here's the original picture, and here we have nero.ai. So the edges are sharp, the overall picture is sharp and high quality. So it improved all the details of the picture. So yeah, to me, when I first saw this, it was to be honest, mind-blowing to me. And yeah, that's the third application. So okay. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any thoughts you'd like to share, I encourage you to leave a comment under this video. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.